Hello, my friend, and welcome back to English Adventure. I'm Adam, and I'm so glad you're here today. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to welcome everyone. If you've been listening for a while, thank you for coming back. You are part of this growing community, and your dedication inspires me. And if you're new here, a very special welcome to you. You've just joined a space where English learners from all over the world support each other, grow together, and build confidence step by step. Before we get started, I'd love to ask you to subscribe to the podcast if you haven't yet. That way, you won't miss any new episodes that help you improve your English and stay motivated. Have you ever wondered what could happen if you didn't give up on learning English, if you kept going, even on the days when it felt impossible? Today, we're going to talk about that. We're going to explore how you can build unstoppable motivation to learn English, how you can make progress step by step, and how you can enjoy the process, no matter how slow it feels. In this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly. I'll use simple words, and I'll repeat key ideas so you can understand easily. While you listen, you can repeat with me. You can practice English aloud. This technique is called shadowing listening, then speaking right after me. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let's start this journey together. Learning English is not always easy. Sometimes it feels exciting. Other times it feels heavy, like climbing a steep hill. You might feel frustrated or think you're not making any progress. And you know what? That's perfectly normal. Every learner feels that way sometimes. You are not alone. Everyone who learns something new goes through ups and downs. There are good days when everything clicks, and there are slow days when even simple words feel difficult. That's part of the adventure. When you feel strong, celebrate it. When you feel tired, just do a little and rest. Even small steps count. Even short practice sessions help you grow. Remember this: you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know every word or speak quickly. You only have to keep going. Learning English is a lot like hiking up a mountain. At first, the path feels long. You take small steps and you wonder if you're really moving forward. But when you stop and look back, you'll see just how far you've already climbed. Every word you learned, every podcast you listened to, every time you practiced, that's real progress. Even if you can't see it yet, you are higher up the mountain than you were yesterday. You are becoming stronger and more confident. So don't stop. Some people learn quickly. Others need more time. But everyone needs motivation. Motivation isn't something magical or special that only lucky people have. It's simply the little voice inside you that whispers, try again, just a little more. On the days you feel tired, give yourself permission to rest. Then come back and try again. You don't need a perfect routine. You only need to return again and again. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn English? Maybe you want to connect with new people. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you simply love the language. Whatever your reason, hold it close. Your reason is your fuel. Every day you spend listening, reading, or speaking in English, you are moving forward. Even 5 minutes makes a difference. Even one new word matters. You are doing something many people dream about but never try. You're opening a door to the world, and that takes real courage. So be patient with yourself. Be gentle. You don't have to race. You don't have to do everything perfectly. You only need to continue. Now, let's be honest. Some days you feel tired, busy, or stressed. You think, I don't have the energy to study today. And that's okay. Your brain needs rest too. But you can still keep going even on difficult days. Here are a few ideas to help you stay motivated. Tip number 1, do just a little. You don't have to study for an hour. You don't need to finish a whole lesson. Just do one small thing. Listen to English for 5 minutes. Read a short paragraph. Repeat one sentence in your mind. Even 1 minute is better than nothing. Learning is not about doing everything at once. It's about doing a little again and again. Tip number 2, remember your reason. Why are you learning English? Is it for travel, work, friendship, or self-growth? On hard days, remind yourself why this matters. Write it down. Say it out loud. Keep it somewhere you can see it. Your reason is your anchor. Tip number 3, make it easy to start. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect mood. Make English simple to begin. Keep your notebook on your desk. Save an interesting video on your phone. Put a reminder on your calendar. The goal isn't perfection, it's simply to begin. Once you start, the rest becomes easier. Tip number 4, be kind to yourself. Don't say, I'm bad at English or I'll never be good enough. Instead, say, I'm learning, I'm trying, I'm doing something challenging, and that's enough. You deserve patience and kindness from others and from yourself. Tip number 5, celebrate every small win. Did you listen to English today? That's a win. Did you learn one new phrase? That's a win. Did you try, even for a moment? That counts too. You don't need huge results to feel proud. Recognize the small victories. Smile at them. They matter more than you know. In this part of our episode, I'll use slightly longer sentences. Still slow and simple, but a little more advanced. Don't worry if you don't catch every word. Just listen, relax, and follow the meaning. Sometimes it feels like you're not improving. You study, you practice, you listen, and you still think, why can't I speak better yet? But here's the truth. You are improving. You are better today than you were last week, even if you can't see it yet. So, how can you measure your progress and remind yourself that learning is working? Tip number 1, keep a learning journal. Every day or week, write down what you did in English. One sentence is enough. For example, today I listened to English Adventure. I learned the word progress. I read an article. Later, you can look back and see just how much you've learned. You'll be surprised at how far you've come. Tip number 2, record your voice. Use your phone to record yourself speaking. Say a few sentences about your day or your plans, then a week later, record the same sentences again. When you listen to both recordings, you'll hear your progress, your pronunciation will be clearer, your voice more confident. Tip number 3, notice the little things you understand. Progress doesn't always look big. Sometimes it's the moment you understand a sentence without translating. Or when you watch a video and realize you don't need subtitles. Those quiet moments are huge steps forward. Tip number 4, look back, not just forward. Instead of thinking about what you still can't do, look at what you couldn't do before. Could you understand this podcast a month ago? Could you write 2 sentences? Could you greet someone in English without fear? When you look back, you see you are not stuck. You are moving. Even if it's slow, it's still progress. Now, let's talk about something essential: how to enjoy the process. Learning English isn't a race. You don't need to reach the finish line before everyone else. It's a journey, like a long walk. Sometimes you go fast. Sometimes you slow down. Sometimes you stop to rest. And that's okay. There is joy in learning. There is joy in every small step. Like the first time you understand a joke in English. Like when you have a short conversation with a stranger. Like when you remember a word you thought you'd forgotten. These moments are proof that you are growing. Many learners fear mistakes. They say, "Adam, I'm afraid to speak because I don't want to say something wrong." But listen to me carefully, mistakes are how you learn. Think about how a child learns to walk. They fall over and over again, but no one says, "Stop trying." Instead, we smile and say, "Try again." When you make mistakes in English, it's the same. You are learning to walk in a new language. So if you say the wrong word, it's okay. If you forget, it's okay. If someone corrects you, it's a gift. That means you're learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid. Speak anyway, practice anyway, be brave. Learning doesn't always have to be serious. You can have fun. You can listen to music, watch funny videos, or read stories you love. You can talk to yourself in the mirror or play word games. The more you enjoy it, the faster you learn. Before we finish, I want you to think about your future. Learning English opens doors you might not even imagine yet. English isn't just a subject in school. It's a tool, a key to new opportunities. When you speak English, you can connect with people across the world. You can understand movies, books, songs, and news. You can be part of global conversations. Imagine it, more than 1 billion people speak English. That means you are never alone. Whether you live in India, Brazil, Egypt, Vietnam, Germany, or Mexico, English can help you meet new people and understand new cultures. English gives you choices. You can find international jobs, study abroad, or travel confidently. Even in your own country, it helps you stand out. So, my friend, when you practice English, you are investing in yourself. You are building a skill that will stay with you forever. And now, you've reached the end of this episode. You listened with your heart. You gave your time and energy to something important. Today, we talked about motivation, consistency, and the joy of learning. We talked about how English can change your life. I want you to know I am truly proud of you. You are doing something that many people find too difficult. You are showing up. You are growing. It doesn't matter if you make mistakes. It doesn't matter if you feel nervous. What matters is that you are here trying again. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Adventure and share it with a friend who wants to learn. Leave a review so more learners can find us. Keep listening, keep speaking, and most of all, keep believing in yourself. This is Adam from English Adventure. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and remember, you are stronger than you think. Bye for now.